plenty of flowers and vegetable crops can be sown in March. March is a good time to sow a huge variety of seeds, some of which can be sown direct and others sown indoors to be planted out after all risk of frost has passed. Hardy annuals can be sown direct outside, where they are to flower. These do best on poor soil, so don't enrich it with fertilizer. Half-hardy annuals such as dahlias and cleome, and perennials are best sown under glass. Vegetables to grow in March. Broad beans. Broad beans are a productive, easy-to-grow crop, producing tender beans in large pods. Sow direct, spacing the seeds 30 centimeters apart. Can be grown in pots and the young shoot tips can be used in salads. Chard. Swiss chard makes a very attractive container plant. Pick regularly for baby leaves or allow to grow for larger leaves that can be steamed like spinach. Sow in pots or direct in the ground, covering with 2 centimeters of compost. Chilies. Chilies do best in pots and can be grown on a sunny windowsill or in a greenhouse. Choose compact, small fruited varieties and early ripeners for a more reliable harvest in cooler weather. Sow onto the surface of multipurpose compost and cover with a thin layer of compost or vermiculite. Cover the pots with a propagator lid or clear plastic bag held in place with an elastic band to create a mini greenhouse. Place on a sunny windowsill or on a heated propagator. Remove the plastic bag as soon as seedlings appear. Chives. Chives are great for container growing as they don't take up much space. Pick regularly to encourage new leaves to grow. If left to bloom, chive flowers attract pollinators. Sow a pinch of seeds into individual seed modules filled with peat-free, multi-purpose compost. Cover with 1 centimeter of compost, water well, label and place on a sunny windowsill or in a greenhouse. Plant outside or into larger pots after all risk of frost has passed. Kale. Kale is perfect for a semi-shaded spot. Grow in pots or the ground for cut-and-come-again crops of young leaves to use in salads, or lightly steamed as a veg. Sow 3 seeds into individual seed modules filled with peat-free multi-purpose compost. Cover with 2 centimeters of compost, water well, label and place on a sunny windowsill or in a greenhouse. Peas. Sow peas in large pots for shoots or in the ground for peas. Choose hardy, early varieties for sowing in March. Sow seeds in single or double lines, 5 centimeters deep and 30 centimeters apart. Potatoes. Potatoes can be grown in the ground or in pots. Chit the seed potatoes by placing the tubers in old egg boxes or seed trays on a cool, light windowsill to encourage shoots to form. Towards the end of the month, plant the sprouting tubers into pre-dug trenches or in pots or sacks on top of 10 centimeters of compost, then cover with an additional 10 centimeters of compost. Earth up or add more compost when the shoots appear. Sweet peppers. Tender sweet peppers need warmth and sunlight. They do best in pots, ideally in a greenhouse. Sow seeds onto the surface of moist, peat-free, multi-purpose compost, and then cover with a light layer of compost or vermiculite. Cover with a propagator lid or clear plastic bag held in place with an elastic band to create a mini greenhouse. Place on a sunny windowsill or heated propagator. Remove the plastic bag as soon as seedlings appear.